Welcome to the NOF International Olympiad Exam Portal. Use your registered email ID and password, which you have already received in your email, to log in. After successful login, you will see your name and class appearing on the screen. Click on that. Now, you can see your dashboard. Click on NOF Olympiad Exams to start your exam. Click on the mock test to practice. Click on the Start button to attempt your mock test. Click on the NOF International Olympiad to start your main exam. Click on the Start button to attempt your main exam. Use this button if you want to skip the video. Read the instructions carefully before starting the exam. Your question screen will have 3 different buttons to control audio. 1. To mute or unmute the audio. Press this button. 2. If you want to re-listen the question. Press this button. 3. To adjust audio speed. Press this button. You can scroll down the screen to see the question tray. Make sure you have attempted all the questions before clicking on the Submit button. Click on Confirm only when you are sure you want to submit, or click on Cancel to go back to the exam. Congratulations! You have submitted your examination. If you want to go back to the dashboard, use this button. Do not refresh the page or switch browser tabs or windows during the exam, as it will automatically submit and terminate the exam. We wish you all the best for your NOF exams. Thank you.